Hi, Joe Conyers with SKF Maintenance Products with a tip from our bearing handbook for electric motors. This tip is use the right tools for the job. Did you know that 16% of premature bearing failures like this one are due to poor fitting and that they are completely avoidable? Poor fitting means that either I didn't have the right tool for the job, I didn't have the right training, or I didn't have enough time to do the job right. SKF Maintenance Products can dramatically improve the safety, speed, and reliability of your repairs. But how do you know how to find the right tool, such as a spanner wrench or a bearing puller, for instance? In addition to the chart that's in our SKF Maintenance and Lubrication Products catalog, we also have a shop poster, and that's available from any authorized SKF distributor. Or you can visit skf.com/mount. Just type in the bearing number to get procedures as well as recommendations for you to use the right tool for the job. That's it. Thanks for watching.